Hey you guys, today we're gonna be restoring this mattock and hoe. It's very rusty. We just got it out of our out of our old garage. And the reason I'm not forging today is because it's snowing outside. So there might be a couple more restoring videos in the future because I live in Massachusetts and you don't know about the weather. Alright, so yeah, now you can see better that it's pretty rusty on both sides, especially this side. So I'm gonna be using a wire brush, like drill bit, to take the rust off. Then I'll hit it with some sandpaper, maybe try to polish it with something, and that'll be it. So the top is pretty good. I'll go back and fix it up after I do all the rest of it. So now we're starting on the back. So the bottom is done. I know it looks a lot worse than the top, but it had a lot more damage. So, well, I'll try to clean that up towards the end when I sand everything and stuff. But now we're moving on to the spikes. Alright, so now I'm just gonna sand the eye down, sand both sides of it, and then I'll be done. So
there was the Pine Bros, I think. That was a big one for us. there was the
SoFlo style.
the SoFlo thing. Man, when we were beefing with SoFlo and they were